Have you ever wondered if there are actually more trees on Earth than stars in the sky? Most people look up at the night sky and assume the stars are uncountable endless. But what if I told you Earth actually has more trees than the Milky Way has stars? Scientists estimate around 3 trillion trees on our planet. That's 3,000 billion, compared to roughly 100 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy. Sounds unbelievable, right? Let's break down the science behind this mind-blowing comparison. Today, we're exploring one of the most surprising facts in nature and astronomy. Can our single planet, just a tiny dot in the universe, really host more living trees than an entire galaxy has burning stars? And if that's true, what does that say about Earth and about us? Counting trees on Earth might sound simple, but it's one of the hardest global measurements to ever exist. Forests are alive. They grow, die, burn, split, regrow, and migrate with climate shifts. Human activities like farming and logging change the landscape every minute. So scientists use satellite imaging, laser scanning, and data from hundreds of thousands of forest plots around the world just to estimate how many trees exist. Stars are a different challenge. We can't fly around the galaxy counting them one by one. Astronomers use massive telescopes, computer models, and the brightness of starlight to guess how many stars live in the Milky Way. And even then, the number isn't exact, because much of our galaxy is hidden behind dust clouds. So when we compare trees to stars, we're really comparing two massive scientific estimates, both based on years of research. The global tree count comes from a groundbreaking project by scientists from Yale, NASA, and dozens of environmental groups. They combine satellite data with on-ground observations from more than 400,000 forest sites, creating the most detailed tree map ever made. The result, about 3.04 trillion trees alive today. On the cosmic side, astronomers estimate the Milky Way holds between 100 and 400 billion stars. They measure star populations in visible regions, then use models to estimate how many more are hidden in the dusty, dark parts of the galaxy. What makes this comparison beautiful is what it reveals about Earth. Our planet is incredibly rich in life, to the point that a single species, trees, outnumbers the stars in our entire galaxy. And every tree plays a role, producing oxygen, storing carbon, cooling the climate, and supporting millions of animals and insects. Here's the big takeaway. Yes, Earth has more trees than the Milky Way has stars. But here's the twist: we once had double that number. Human activity has cut the global tree count almost in half. And we're still losing an estimated 15 billion trees every year. So this comparison isn't just fun, it's a warning. Trees may outnumber stars today, but if we don't protect our forests, that reality can change faster than we think. This fact forces us to see trees not just as numbers, but as living systems holding our planet together. So the next time you look at a forest, or stare up at the night sky, remember this: the Earth beneath your feet holds more life than the galaxy above your head holds stars. And that's something worth appreciating and protecting. What do you think about this comparison? Does it change how you see nature or the universe? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoy learning about science, space, and the planet, check out the other videos on this page. There's always something new to explore.
Fact Burst, where curiosity explodes.